This is a new mobile money platform which is launched. On this platform, if you create an account, you can see the packages. So the package 0 here, the amount that you can use to start is 50, and every day you get yourself 5 here. The package 1, it is 100 that you can use to start, and every day you get yourself 15 Ghana. Package 3 here, it is 350, and every day you get yourself 55 Ghana through to the highest package here. Okay, so if you want to buy any of these packages, unless you first recharge your account, so you go to the recharge button here, then you select the package that you want to recharge. If you want to recharge 1500, you select that one, then you click on confirm here. Then here you just enter mobile money that you want to use to make the payment, then select the corresponding network here, then click on confirm, then submit. Then after clicking on confirm, then submit, the next page you just copy the text number, then make payment through to that number, and after start making payment through to that number, the amount will be credited to your account. Then you go to the package that you want to buy to click on purchase product here, and you see after clicking on purchase product, the product will be and start earning some cool cash for the earning section, of which you can check here. Okay, so when you check here, you see the package that you've purchased and the package that is earning some cool cash for you every blessed day. Okay, as simple as that. And after accumulating cool cash, and if you want to draw at the mine section, you go to the draw section, but before you do, you need to first set your bank account, that is your withdrawal account. You click on it, then at the bank account section, at the bank account, you enter the mobile money number that you want to use to receive the payment. At the name section, you enter the name which is associated the mobile money number that you want to use to receive the payment, then select its corresponding network. If the number you enter is same thing, whether for a text, select that one, then you click on confirm to save your bank details. And after saving your bank details, you go ahead to click on withdraw. You know I have 320 here, of which I have to do, so you click on withdraw here. Then here you enter the amount that you want to do, then make sure you confirm the bank detail that you set if it is right for you to withdraw your money to it. Okay, and before you do that, one or two things that you take note of concern withdrawal, that is the withdrawal time between the hours of 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. every blessed day. The minimum withdrawable amount if you take Ghana cedis should be a multiple of 10 here. You need to purchase a product before you be able to withdraw, and after meeting all these withdrawal instructions, go ahead to enter the amount that you want to withdraw, then you click on confirm to withdraw your amount. As simple as that. Also, if you want to invite your friends to enjoy on this particular platform, at the team section here, you copy your invitation and you can send it to your friends to register. Anytime you register through your link, get commission from that through here. Okay, that is 22% for level 1, 2% for level 2, and 1% for level 3. As simple as that. Also, one key thing about it is that after making a successful withdrawal and receiving the money on it, you go to the price sign here, then you can upload screenshot of your withdrawal and receive a bonus ranging from 0.2 to 1 Ghana. As simple as that. Okay. And if I face any issue concerning deposit or withdrawal, you see the service section, you click on it, then you lodge your complaints to them through their customer service, and you can as well join their Telegram group so as to get the day-to-day update concerning this particular platform. One thing I want you to know, this is a new mobile money platform which is launched today, and platforms like this, when they come, the earlier you join, the earlier the better. Don't wait for the site to be 1 week to it before you rise to use the platform to use quick cash. Now that you've gotten it, you can try out to see how best this platform is going to bless during the session. And as a disclaimer, I disclaim that I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm showing you how I make money through platforms like this. So therefore, I am not responsible for any profit or loss through this particular video. Make sure you do your own research. Do your own research before you use this platform to generate some quick cash. And remember, this video is for educational purpose. This video is for educational purpose as well.